guys, how are you doing? We're sitting in a 5-cylinder car again. We're sitting in the VZ5, a car that we already have been driving before. First of all in the stock version, and we also tested this car with the 450 HP upped power upgrade already. But this time it's something special because in addition to the upped power upgrade, we have the Akrapovic exhaust in the back, which not only sounds very nice, but it should also bring us a bit more power. I would say 10 to 15 HP, just due to the Akrapovic exhaust. It's all street legal. This is the ECE compliant version, more or less the slip-on, and yeah, you could be putting that on your car without going to any car registration again. And I think without further talking, let's see how fast it goes using the race box. The car only has 1500 kilometers on the clock, so yeah, I'm not sure if it's fully run in from a sound and power perspective yet, but nevertheless, we are going to try it and see how good the numbers are. Oh my goodness, 3.8 seconds, that's very nice. Even the inductive charging is starting to move at that speed. Very, very cool number already. Oh my goodness, we have beaten that number, 3.76, and also, yeah, cornering speeds are quite insane with that car. I'm not sure, but I think we also have the upped suspension in it. Definitely in the corner, that's nice. Without further talking, let's head out onto the Autobahn, see how fast it goes. 100 to 200, really excited to see if that Akrapovic exhaust also makes a difference on that, yeah, long piece of Autobahn.